Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. وَكَذَلِكَ نُوَلِّي بَعْضَ الظَّالِمِينَ بَعْضًا بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْسِبُونَ. Translation: And thus we make the evildoers allies and supporters of each other because of what they have earned. In the previous ayah, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will gather all the jinn kind and mankind in the day of resurrection. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask the jinn kind that you had misled many of the mankind. And their friends from the mankind will say, Our Rabb, we benefited from each other until we reached our time of death that you appointed for us. He will say, Fire is your home. You will live in it forever, except for whom Allah is pleased. Indeed, your Rabb is all wise and all knowing. So in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving like a principle that, as mentioned in the previous ayahs, the jinns and ins who were friends of each other will be sent to the fire together. In today's ayah, we are seeing that all the zalimeen, all the transgressors, all the evildoers are allies and supporters of each other, and they will end up in the hellfire in the same level as they used to sin in the world. So all the transgressors and sinners will be put in the hellfire according to their level, and they will be together in the punishment. And elsewhere in Quran we will study that these transgressors and sinners will have no friendship in the hellfire. They will be enemies of each other, so they will not get any comfort. They will have punishment of hellfire, and they will also have the pain of being with those that they hate. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us among those who are pure Muslims, who are true believers, who are good doers, and keep us in the company of the pious people here in this world and in the hereafter. O Rabb, make us among those who live in peace in this world and also who will be in peace in the hereafter. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.